find how many 4-digit numbers can be formed from the digits 1, 3, 5, 6, 8 and 9 if each digit may be used only once. So then we need to, okay, let's do it one at a time. So for the part A, so let's start that way. So for the part A, we need to make or we need to find how many 4-digit numbers can be formed. So 4-digit numbers, 4 places for the digits, and each of these, the first one can be filled in 6 ways. You can pick any one of the 6 numbers in 6 ways, and then 5, 4, 3 ways. So the total number of ways would be 6 times 5 times 4 times 3, so the answer would be 360. So that's easy enough. Then for the next bit, how many of these 4-digit numbers are even? To be an even number, it has to end in a 6 or it has to end in an 8. So how many numbers are going to be even? So I have done it as having 2 separate cases or 2 separate instances when the numbers end in 6. So how many numbers would end in 6 and how many numbers would end in 8, and then I would just add them up. So how many numbers end in 6? So you'd have 5 times 4 times 3 times 1, no 2 needed because only 4 digits. So when the first digit, 1 digit is taken, so we only have 5 digits remaining, so the first place is filled in 5 ways, then 4 ways, 3 ways, and you can have only one option here, 6. You can also have an 8, which is the next case. So therefore what we're going to do is going to multiply it with 2 by 2. So if you multiply it by 2, the answer is going to be 120, and that is the total number of ways you could have an even number, for 4-digit numbers that are even. Okay, so then that's the answer to B part. For the C part, we have 3 bits to that, 1, 2 and 3. So C1 is a team of 6 people is to be selected from 8 men and 4 women, and we need to find the number of different teams that can be selected if there are no restrictions on how many men and women can be chosen. So if there are no restrictions, you'd have 12 men and women, and 6 can be chosen in 12C6 ways, so the answer would be 924. For the next bit, it's saying that the team contains all 4 women. So the 4 women can be chosen in only one way, all women are included one way, and the 2 men chosen from 8 men, 8C2 ways. So the answer in this case is 28. Now for the third bit, there are 2 ways of doing this. So I did it this way. So there are, as 3 cases, because it says that it has at least 4 men. So at least 4 men means it could have 4 men, it could have 5 men, or all 6 men in the team. So 4 men, if it was only 4 men, then there would be 2 women. If there are 5 men, there would be 1 woman, and for 6 men is all 6 men. So 4 men and 2 women, then the ways we can choose them are 8C4 times 4C2, 5 men and 1 woman, then it would be 8C5 multiplied by 4, because you can have you can pick 1 woman out of the 4 in 4 ways. So any one of the 4 women can be picked in 4 ways. Okay, so and the last bit, the 6 men, you can have the 6 men in 86 ways. So the answer would be to add up all these 3 options, and when you add add and you simplify, your final answer is going to be 672. So that's the final answer.